Basically, the difference between healthy and unhealthy foods often depends on their calorie and fat content. It is always better to know how to distinguish healthy from unhealthy foods. And this video will help you do it. Below you will find a list of factors that you can check to protect yourself from unhealthy or unwanted foods. Oil difference. There are so many varieties of cooking oils in the market today that make it is difficult to choose the healthiest. The main difference between unhealthy oils and healthy oils is the amount of saturated and unsaturated fats they contain. Unsaturated fats help good health. Therefore, oils with a higher percentage of unsaturated fats are considered a healthier option. The saturated fat content of coconut oil is approximately 91%, while this percentage is only 7% in canola oil. Palm oil, butter, and lard are some of the unhealthy oils that contain a lot of saturated fat. Olive oil and sunflower oil are considered healthy because they contain low saturated fat. Nutrient capacity. Healthy foods are rich in nutrients such as calcium, fiber, potassium, vitamin D, etc. Vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and whole grains provide fiber. Leafy vegetables and low-fat dairy products provide calcium. Vegetables and fruits such as bananas, avocados, strawberries, apricots, and cucumbers are rich in potassium. Eggs, fish, orange juice, and fortified milk are good sources of vitamin D. Unhealthy foods contain very few nutrients. Refined and unrefined foods. During the refining process, many enzymes, vitamins, and fibers are lost, which makes processed foods unhealthy to some extent. Vegetable oils are good for your health if consumed in reasonable quantities. To increase the life of the oil, it is partially hydrogenated and then used for cooking. After the hydrogenation process, the previously good oil becomes less healthy trans fats. The treated oil has long-term adverse effects on the body. Therefore, always try to use unrefined and unprocessed ingredients to maintain better health. Healthy foods are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential to defend the body against free radicals, which can cause cancer. Healthy foods such as vegetables, fruits, and beans are a rich source of antioxidants. Different snacks. It is healthier to have crispy vegetables like celery and carrots with a low-fat sauce instead of French fries. Nuts and popcorn are healthier than processed food snacks like French fries. It is better to pack a small box of dried fruits instead of cookies or chewable sweets in the office. Healthy diets instead of unhealthy. Healthy eating consists mainly of nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, legumes, whole grains, vegetables, low-fat dairy products, and lean meat. On the other hand, diets rich in saturated fats, added sugars, trans fatty acids, and sodium are a no-no. Unhealthy diets often consist of fast or processed foods that lack many nutrients and are full of empty calories. Risk of illness. Following an unhealthy diet increases the risk of many health problems. The risk of heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes increases. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), an estimated 2.7 million people worldwide die each year from nutrient-deficient fruits and vegetables. A healthy diet is rich in carbohydrates and complex fibers. Carbohydrates are classified into simple and complex according to the structure of their molecules. Simple carbohydrates contain mainly sugar, while complex carbohydrates include starch and high-fiber foods. A diet high in fiber improves the digestive process and gives energy. Simple carbohydrates provide energy, but they also have side effects such as mood swings and obesity. Healthy and unhealthy meats. It is vital to observe its fat content to know if the selected meat is healthy or not. Low-fat meats are healthier. Skinless chicken, extra lean ground beef, and low-fat turkey are considered healthier meats and should be used instead of beef, chicken, and normal sausages. Breaded or fried fish and meat should be avoided since their fat content is quite high. Statistics have shown that children these days are more fond of junk food than adults. How many of them eat fruit with as much interest as a plate of pizza? Presenting them with a healthy diet at the beginning of the meal can be a good start. Junk foods block arteries and blood vessels, causing some severe diseases. Children learn a lot from adults. Therefore, it is recommended that you retain your temptations of fast foods. Control your temptations, only then can you lead a happy life and give your child a healthy life.